Good morning, children. Welcome to the ABS online class. Today we are going to start a new and very interesting chapter. But before going to the chapter, we are going to discuss some important points. These points will help us to understand this chapter nicely. So let's get started. Children, you can see here there is title given. In the picture, everyone will read it carefully. What is that? That is, why are maps and globe important? Earlier, in previous chapter, the story of Amrita, we have seen that how important maps and globe are for us and how they help us to locate any place. So look at both pictures. Now in this, you can see two pictures. Which are those? Yes, there you can see forest, its uses and importance. In previous chapter we have already seen that. We have already discussed about forest. From this we come to know that how forest is important for us and how it maintains environmental balance. Children, here is very interesting picture. There are some children and school shown in this picture. I know you are also eager and waiting to go to the school. But these days we are learning from home due to corona pandemic. So it's better to be at home. Students, you know that everyone go to school. But now tell me, do all children go to school? Look around the place where you are living. Are there children? Are there all children able to go to school? Think about it. In this picture, you will come to know that there are some children who are in such condition that they cannot go to school due to some reasons, due to poverty, due to responsibility of house, or there may be other reasons. You have to observe this picture. There are two small girls. What are they doing? Observe it carefully. One small girl is selling balloons and another one is selling flowers at the roadside. Means due to their some reasons they are unable to study, they are unable to go to school. Children, you also have to observe the place where you are living. Are there such kind of children who are unable to go to school? Yes, you have to observe the children and think about it. Why they are not going to school? Yes. So children, till here we have seen some important points. Why did we discuss this about? Because this point will make this chapter easy to understand. So, now let's go to the chapter. Here is our new chapter, that is Anita and the honeybees. Once again I am going to repeat. Chapter number 5 is Anita and the honeybees. You can see in the picture there is one girl. She is doing some work. What is she doing? We will discuss in chapter. Students, this is a true story of Anita. Now, very interesting story is going to be started. We are going to learn this chapter now. In the starting of the chapter, we will understand summary of lesson. It will help us what is given in this chapter. Children, now listen carefully. Anita Kushwaha lives in Bochaha village in Bihar with her family. She studies in college, teaches children and keeps honeybees. Anita's parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. Village teachers explained the importance of study to Anita's parents. They agreed to send Anita to school. Anita learned to ride a motorcycle. See here, you can see Anita is doing many works. Anita learned to ride a motorcycle. Anita joined a course of beekeeping and started her business of beekeeping. So students, you will see there are some new concepts, new words for you. We will discuss those points later. Now listen. She had to face many problems, but with her mother's support, she managed her studies and work both. Anita now knows what she wants to do. Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the village people to get the right price of their honey. Every hive, every beehive has three types of bees. Here, once again, you can see that there are some new words and concept for you. We will discuss it thoroughly. Every beehive has three types of bees: queen bee, worker bees, and male bees. They all perform their different roles. Last point is ants, termites, and wasps also live together like bees. In this way, we have started this chapter, that is Anita and the honeybees. I hope you must have understood today's points. Rest of the chapter we will see in the next video. Till then, children, take care and stay healthy.